Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Call Halayim La, Allahayinawa, Abanawa Yahweh, Bahashem, Hamashiach Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Barachak Wadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Peace and salutations to the brothers, the hopefully elect, the 144 of Israel, the elect, pushing this truth. Lord willing, this is edifying. This is Brother Ainal back with another lesson. Today I have an article from Neoscope. Alright, it says scientists connect 16 mini brains made of human tissue to create a living computer. Okay, and the subheading says it's like a 21st century version of Frankenstein's monster. And there goes a diagram of something similar to that. Okay, let's read this. It says Switzerland-based startup Final Spark claims to have built a unique computer processor made from 16 mini brains made from human brain tissue. I'll read that again. Switzerland-based startup Final Link claims to have built a unique computer processor made from 16 human brains. Oh, this thing tripping. Made from human brain tissue. Okay. It says they are positioning this living computer as an alternative to silicone-based computing. Okay. It says, and now other researchers can remotely access the startup's biocomputer, the neural platform, to conduct studies on, say, artificial intelligence, which typically requires enormous resources. Let me see. Okay, it says the brain startup takes brain organoids, small samples of human brain tissue derived from stem cells, and places them in a special environment that keeps these organoids alive. They then hook them to these mini brains, hook them up to these, they then hook up these mini brains to specialized electrodes to perform computer processing and digital analogs conversions to transform neural activity into digital information. Man. So, these wicked elites are working and conjuring the next industrial revolution, man. What we're reading here is literally the next step to merge man and machine. But this is a different street, so to speak. The same avenue but different street as a Neuralink. They're using, instead of inserting the the wires into the brain itself. They're taking stem cells from the brain and they're hooking the wires up to it, and it's this is like wow, this is next. This is bugged out. That's what it is. It's bugged out. Let's just because I was looking up some things. Let's just go see what okay. I was looking up what neural stem cells are. It says neural stem cells, NSCS, are multipotent stem cells that can self-renew and generate the three main cell types of the central nervous system: neurons, astrocytes, and oligodendrocytes. These are found in both fetal meaning, unborn babies, and adult brains, and are influenced by their location and surrounding cell types, known as the stem cell niche. NSCs play important roles in aging, disease, plasticity, and regeneration of the nervous system. Okay, so these stem cells are found, in fetal and adult brains. So, to get them, to extract them, let me see, where was let's go to this other page. Okay, here we go. It says, I kind of looked up, how do you obtain stem cells? It says from bone marrow, where a procedure is carried out to remove a sample of bone marrow from the hip bone. From cord blood, where donated blood from the placenta and umbilical cord of a newborn baby is used as the source of stem cells. Find out more about cord blood on whatever. But you see, there's so much human trafficking going on, and you never can tell. There's so many children missing. There's so many women missing, pregnant women. I mean, you can kind of, guess like some of their research might come from that, man. Because this place, Babylon, man, is a network of evil, man. People selling, human body parts on the black market. So, I mean, it's been proven that there's human trafficking going on throughout all the 48 states, or 51 or whatever. So you can kind of guess like where they can be getting some of these stem cells, even if it says donated, but think of all the babies that has been aborted, in this place. Millions of aborted fetuses,
could be the supply. You know, you have people doing bone marrow transplants. You know, all is abundant supply, man. And scriptures speak about, you know, life is in the blood. You know, so if these stem cells can regenerate, you know, you got an endless supply, man. Let's get back to this. It says the concept of living computers has been around for quite some time now. Last year, for instance, scientists hooked up neurons to electrical circuits, resulting in a device that could perform voice recognition. Dang. Man, I gotta get the scripture real quick, man. That's that's crazy. It's tripping. Okay, here we go. Damn. Okay, this is Psalms 64 and 6. It says, they search out iniquities, they accomplish a diligent search, both the inward thought of every one of them and the heart is deep, and the heart is your la'ab, your mind. Okay, these motherfuckers' hearts are deep, their mind is deep. They're searching out iniquities, they're searching these things out. And you know, the Heavenly Father put that thought in their head to search out these iniquities, to try to accomplish their enterprise, man. Okay, because there's judgment, okay, that has to come through these iniquities, man. These this enterprise has to separate the Most High's chosen from the rest of the people. So this thing has to, you know, be sorted out, searched out, and accomplished to a point. Not to the point where he's going to, you know, so-called Esau Edom, the wicked elites of Esau Edom, actually eat the fruit of their labors, but they're going to come to a point to where the choice that is, you know, has to be made for everyone on this planet. You know, because the scriptures say what? Let's get it real quick. It says, and Revelations 13 and 16, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead. So every man is going to have this choice, right? So this device or devices like this has to have accomplished, you know, a certain degree of success for this prophecy to come to pass. Okay, and it says, verse 17, and that no man might buy or sell. You can't buy or sell with philosophies. You can't buy or sell with sleeping with white women. You know, you can't buy or sell with with sin. I mean, it's just, it doesn't make sense. This is the thing that is going forth right now, and they're talking more and more about this thing, this mark, man, this Charagma, this device, you know, because devices, because there's a lot of different companies that's coming up with these devices. Matter of fact, I brought out in one of my past videos that they're forming groups now and putting all their ideas and their research together to advance this thing even faster, so they can accomplish it even faster. And that's part of the scriptures, man. The scriptures say the Most High is going to speed up the time, okay, for the elect's sake. Otherwise, there wouldn't be no flesh left to be saved. You see? Right? Let's see. Let's go back to the article real quick. There's one more thing I want to bring out. Okay, it says the Final Spark, which is the company, okay, hopes other institutions will tap its neural platform in order to advance biocomputer research. Okay, biocomputer. You know what I'm saying? Let's look that word up real quick. Biocomputer, a computer that uses components of biological organs such as molecules of DNA instead of electrical components. Right. Because our bodies operate on a carbon and electric base operation. Like the energy that we have inside of us is likened unto, you know, these computers. So that's why it's kind of easy to transition, okay, from electrical energy, because we have electrical energy inside of our brain. Every time we think, a neuron sparks up. Every time we come to move, a neuron sparks up to carry out that message to our joints and, you know, our nervous system, to be able to move and carry out that thought for us to move. Okay. It says, while positioning this tool as the next step in AI computing. All right. Let me see. You know, that's the whole article, but, you know, just some more insight on the things that are coming up and to look out for, man, because you know, we that are pushing this truth, we have to be on top of this information so we can inform the sheep, man, you know, and stay informed for ourselves as well. So Lord willing, you know, this was edifying. Until next time, I say shalom.